Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve the following system of equations and find the all integer solutions of x and y. So here x and y belong to integers. Let's start. Let me first of all rearrange each equation as follow. Then this is going to be equivalent to, so from the first equation I can express the left hand side as 3 to the power of x times, so 25 to the power of y is 5 to the power of 2y is equal to, so in the right hand side we see that 5625 I can factor as 625 times 9, and from the second equation I'll get 5 to the power of x times, so I can express 9 to the power of y as 3 to the power of y is equal to, I can factor 2025 as 81 times 25. So now this is going to be equivalent to, let me rewrite the left hand side of the first equation as it is, 3 to the power of x times 5 to the power of 2y, and from the right hand side we see that 625 is 5 to the power of 4 times 9 is 3 squared. And from the second equation, again let me rewrite the left hand side of the second equation as it is, 5 to the power of x times 3 to the power of 2y is equal to 81 is 3 to the power of 4, 25 is 5 squared. Now let me label each equation here. This is the first equation, this is the second equation. Note that if I divide the first equation by second equation, then I will get 3 to the power of x times 5 to the power of 2y divided by 5 to the power of x times 3 to the power of 2y is equal to 5 to the power of 4 times 3 to the power of 2 and 3 to the power of 4 times 5 squared. Now by using the following formulas I can easily simplify both sides. So the first formula is, we know that a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. So here we see that the bases are the same, and if I divide these two exponential numbers, then I can just subtract exponents, which means that a to the power of m minus n. This is the first formula. So the second formula is, so a to the power of n divided by b to the power of n, and we see that here exponents are the same, therefore I can express as a over b to the power of n. Now let me apply these two formulas for the last equation. So then this is going to be equivalent to, so from the left hand side by using the first formula I can here simplify as follow. We see that three bases are the same, therefore I'll get 3 to the power of x minus 2y is equal to, here in the same manner 5 to the power of 2y minus x is equal to here 5 squared, and because 5 to the power of 4 divided by 5 squared is 4 minus 2 is 5 to the power of 2, and 3 to the power of 2 divided by 3 to the power of 4 is 3 to the power of minus 2. Now this is going to be equivalent to, by using now, so by the way here let me show another formula. We know that a to the power of minus n is equal to make this negative power positive, I have to divide 1 by a to the power of n. Now here the last equation is going to be equivalent to, from the, I can express 3 to the power of x to the power of minus 2y as 3 to the power of minus and 2y minus x times 5 to the power of 2y minus x. This one is equal to, in the same manner, 5 squared. So here we see that 3 to the power of minus 2, to make this power positive I have to divide by 3 squared. Now this is going to be equivalent to, we see that the exponent of this 3 is negative, so therefore I can write this 3 to the power of minus 2y to the power of minus 6 in the denominator, but with positive power. So therefore without minus, 5 to the power of 2y minus x divided by 3 to the power of 2y minus x is equal to 5 squared divided by 3 squared. And we see that by using the second formula, here I can express the last equation as follow, and here exponents are the same, I can write as 5 over 3 divided to the power of 2y minus x is equal to, so here 5 over 3 to the power of 2. So here we got simple basic exponential equation where bases are the same, therefore we can easily equate exponents, so which means that 2y minus x must be equal to 2. But still as we can see, we cannot solve this equation because in one equation we have two variables. So therefore, to get a system of equations with two variables, we have to now multiply this first equation by second equation, and which means that, so first equation times second equation, and we see that in the left hand side 3 to the power of x times 5 to the power of y, so times, and from the second equation we know that 3 to the power of 2y and 5 to the power of x is equal to 5 to the power of 4 times 3 to the power of 2, 3 to the power of 4 times 5 to the power of 2. So which means that here this is going to be equivalent to, from the left hand side, and using, let me show here another formula, we know that e to the power of n times e to the power of m, so bases are the same, I can add exponents. So therefore, using the last formula, we can now get from the last equation, and from the left hand side, 3 to the power of x plus 2y times 5 to the power of x plus 2y is equal to, here, 5 to the power of 6 times 3 to the power of 6. And we know that if, so here let me show another formula, the fifth formula, e to the power of n times b to the power of n, exponents are the same, therefore e times b to the power of n. Now using this formula from the last equation, I will get, here we see that in the left hand side exponents are the same, therefore 3 times 5 to the power of x plus 2y is equal to 5 times 3 to the power of 6, and which is equivalent to 15 to the power of x plus 2y is equal to 15 to the power of 6. And we see that the bases are the same, we can equate exponents, so x plus 2y is equal to 6. And we know that, we see that from the first operation we'll get this equation, from the second we got this equation, and from the second one we got this, and we can now write these two equations under the system. So 2y minus x is equal to 2, the first one, and second one is x plus 2y is equal to 6. So adding these two equations, I will get 2y minus x plus x plus 2y is equal to 8. And we see that x minus x will disappear here, and 4y is equal to 8, and here y is equal to 2. Now substituting this 2 into the y, or into the first equation, then I will get that 2 times 2 minus x is equal to 2, and here 4 minus x is equal to 2, and here x is equal to 2. If we finalize, we got the answers. The first solution is x is equal to 2, and the second answer is y is equal to 2. So this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.